In this clip, we'll discuss about interface in C#. An interface is like a contract. Interface includes the declaration of one or more functionalities. Entities that implement the interface must define functionalities declared in the interface. In C#, a class or a struct can implement one or more interfaces. Let's see an example. Here we see an interface named iManager. Basically, an interface is defined by a keyword interface. iManager is defined by keyword interface, and this interface has two members. One is property named team name, and another is method create task. By default, the access modifier of interface is internal, but we can change it to public, and the member of interfaces access modifier is public by default. If we provide access modifier explicitly, it will give an compile time error. Let's see. We can see there is a compile time error. So there is no need to provide the access modifier to the interface member. Here we see only declaration of the method. There is no implementation. If we implement the method within the interface, it will give the compile time error again. So in interface, we are not allowed to implement the method. The method and properties will be implemented into the class or struct. A class or a struct can implement one or more interfaces using clone. There are two ways to implement an interface. One is implicit and another one is explicit. Let's see the implicit implementation of interface. Public class project manager. This is the implicit implementation of an interface. In implicit implementation, the access modifier of the interface members must be public. Let's see the explicit implementation of interface. This is the explicit implementation of an interface. Here we see the interface name, clone the member name. In this approach, only object of interface will access the method, but object of classes does not allow to access the method or properties. Thanks.